What's up, guys? You know what today is? Today is unboxing day. Guess what we got today? Woo! It's always a good day when we receive a box that says fragile. Fragile. So, what's in the box? I bet you I know what it is. But you don't. So let's check it out. So, been waiting for this one for a while now. Had to wait it out. Finally showed up. And it's here. Let's check it out. This one came, a lot of stuffing. Oh, I bet you ooh, a new concert ukulele? No. We don't deal with modern here. Oh, yes. Haha. Are you ready? Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is, wow. This is a Royal Hawaiian ukulele in a pineapple shape. Never seen one of these before. I've seen them in the traditional peanut shape, but never, ever have I seen a pineapple shape Royal Hawaiian. So, and it even has the Royal Hawaiian internal label on the inside. So, we'll show you more detail of that, but check this out. Royal Hawaiian logo. But I think it's missing the full detail of its logo. Pineapple shape, beautiful koa. So if you don't know, Royal Hawaiian, the owner had multiple companies. It was Honolulu Mahogany Company, and he owned a wood manufacturing, a lumber yard on Big Island at the time. He also owned part of Matson Lines, which is nowadays is the big freight company that transports to and from Hawaii from the mainland. But back then, they transported people in cruises from the mainland, like San Francisco or Portland, Seattle, to Honolulu, Los Angeles. And he made a few different brands, Echo being one, Malolo being another, Pele, and as well as Royal Hawaiian. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to show you this, do a little quick unboxing. If you have a Royal Hawaiian or another vintage ukulele, you know, let us know what you have. You can leave it in the comments, or you can email us at thevintageukulele@gmail.com. Wow. We'll make a video of this one soon. I think this one is, we're going to clean this one up. I think it needs to be, yep, it needs to have a couple little stabilizations going in here. Let me know, should we try and stabilize it? Or should we just leave it the way it is? So, I don't know, it's beautiful. Another one to add to the collection. This one is dated, let's say, I'm going to say 1927 to about 1933, 34, depending, I don't think it's older than that. We'll have to look, do some research on this one. But there you go. So anyway, look for the video coming out soon. We'll post one that's why you should hit that notification button, right? So you know when things come out. So anyway, again, if you like this type of content, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And look forward to seeing you on our next video. Have a good one.